Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to fix error unable to complete Touch ID setup. Please go back and try again. It can be pretty simple, let's get started. The main reason for not being able is dirty or wet hands, or a dirty or wet place to place your finger. I think you know what to do in this case. Wet your hands or the fingerprint sensor on your iPhone. If this method doesn't help, go to the next method. If the problem is caused by a software glitch, you can remove all settings to return to default settings. To do this, open the settings, next swipe down to find general settings, open it, next swipe down again, and here select transfer or reset iPhone. After that, tap on reset and choose reset all settings. Enter your passcode and this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. It's a safety reset. Tap reset all settings. Confirm once more. Reset all settings. Our iPhone is updating. It can take a few minutes. And after that, we have iPhone with default settings and we can enter to Touch ID and passcode. We see that all previous fingerprints have disappeared and now we can add new fingerprints. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, good luck, see you next time.